Hi people, it's Nettie again. Yes, look at this. Cucumbers. Yep, cucumbers. And on this side, I'm going to put my eggplants. Yeah, I got two eggplants there because I didn't know somebody was going to give me one. So hubby can show up. He said, look, I saw this one. Now you could plant it there. And I said, great, thank you. so, I was happy about it, but I had already have put seeds on, and I also have more seeds in the in the video that I made before. I didn't mention it, but there was three eggplants there too. Plus, I got one, I think two in one little red cup that I'm planning to put over here too. And hold on, let me go inside. I don't wanna drop it. Okay, and we have these two. These two were in red cups, those red cups, and they grew pretty nicely there. But it's time for them to grow up, and you're gonna see how I do it. Hold on. Sorry, sorry. I'm trying to grab this that it doesn't fall from my hands. One dropped. Okay, that's okay. They're not gonna get hurt. And I'm gonna put him. Wait, let me see if you can see my hand. I'm gonna put it on here. Wait, I can't get you. Where are you? Oh, there you go. I just stick my finger in there. That's it. Oh, that's why my nails don't grow. So I'm going to put it here. You know, she's already healthy. I'm putting a little deep so they don't slide down. You know, because when you do that, you put it just on where the roots at, it flops over. So I try to put it, you know, put it a little deeper. And it works, as you can see right there. So I won't be doing no more propagating cucumbers unless they die. Then I will. I'm not giving up. Like for instance, this is garlic. For years I couldn't even get it this big. Only when I used to put it in water. But then when they're gonna give the ball, because all that in the bottom, it kind of grow like a ball, and that's the one that is the original, I call it the real garlic that's coming out. So I haven't done, and when it got to that stage, it would die. You know, so far they're doing pretty good. They like it here because it's nice and cool. You know, so that's cool. I also have this. It hasn't died. I learned how to make it not to die so easy. Before I used to take like 2 times, and then it would die. Now they're not dying. What I did was I put them in water, let them get enough roots, and then I buried it. And it's pretty cool, you know. So, and I eat this part. You know, they get too high, they like flop over. So I just do what I take it out, wash it, and have a canister in my refrigerator, and I put it there, and I use it. And I save my, how you call it? I save my, hold on, let me see if I could get this little one. Okay, you can see the hole now. Let me show you this a minute. If I could focus. Okay, I focus. Right here, I will put this one. If she wants to get in. I think I should make the hole a little deeper. Nah, I think it's, nah, let me do a little deeper, yeah. It's like, so she don't, you know, like she don't get into flop all over the place because it's pretty big already. So I'm gonna put it enough dirt here so it doesn't flop all over the floor. And it's pretty good. It's standing up. Now they will just start doing like this one. You know, they start straightening up. What I'm gonna do when they get a certain size, I'm gonna put. Let me show you what I'm gonna put. These across so they could climb right up there. And I'm gonna have to cut a lot of leaves to make it, you know, make it do good. So, so I've been doing a lot of stuff, you know, and how you call it? I'm taking my, how you call it? My, how you call this? I forgot. Let me think. Please don't hang up. Aloe vera. Whew, I knew it. And I'm gonna take all the aloe veras that I had there. I have 5. I don't know if I gave one to my friend that came yesterday. She gave me this beautiful plant. Every time I give her some, she gives me something back. So I have enough. I give her what I have enough, and I gave her a lemon tree, and I gave her. I don't know. I made a cutting on this, and I gave it to her. It was already rooted, because it's been there for 2 weeks, so it's pretty good rooted. And I call it. I don't know. I see that I have 5. No, 5. Yeah, 5. I have 3 there, and I have 1 here. So I assume I gave her because from the way they took is taken out is from the inside. You can't do it through this rail thing. As you see, the plant is all on this side and not on the other side. So that is, and I have this beautiful, beautiful lemon tree. I would like to plant it right next to the cherry. And how you call it? I want to keep it where I could see it, because if you have it somewhere, like for instance, when I was in the hospital, my mother planted in the backside one of these, but bigger. It was way big. It was like whoop, that big. And how you call it? When I got home, I got in my wheelchair, I started looking at my plants and this and that. Then I remembered about the lemon tree. And when I looked back, it was gone. And it wasn't that it died. It was somebody pulled it out. So I called my son, that he was staying with me at that time. I called my son and I tell him, hey, honey, hey, baby, come over here. See if you see the lemon. He looks and said, there ain't no lemon there. I said, can you check and see if they pulled it out? They pulled it out. So I just don't want to put it back there. The only thing I got back there is a mango tree, a big giant mango tree that slips on top of the roof. And it's very easy. I tell my husband, don't cut it, because if it starts to grow again, how you call it, avocado, then I will have something to get. And I'm giving it vitamins. Probably this weekend I'll give it again. I'm giving it every 2 weeks. Not a lot, just a little, to make it get a little better. So after this, after all this is done, I already watered it, so my finger gets in easy. Since everything that I try to use is Miracle Grow. Because look, you go here, right there, look, it goes straight in. It's very soft, and it doesn't create how you call it, grass and stuff. I don't have no problem with that. So as you see, here is like that. And if you go, I got another one over there. I put it with the how you call it, with the tomatoes. This tomato, I was planning to cut it. Let me see if I can move this. Oh God, it's heavy. I was planning to move it out. Throw it away, because the dog climbed here. When they were putting firecrackers and stuff, he got on and he moved and he got through here. This way I put this metal back on, so he can't get in, because he threw my plant in the floor. Luckily it didn't die. And now I'm gonna move this side, because I'm gonna put water on this one, on this side. Where I put this? Let me throw this over here. Hold on. Let me put this in the table. It fits. I got so many plants. This is incredible. But anyway, I got 2 avocados also. This one. Sorry for the how you call that? The towel. That one right there. That's another big avocado. This is a guanabana. And I have another one back there, a little smaller one. So this one was beautiful. My mistake was that I put it in my guanabana and I had put water and this one sucked it up and died. So, but it's no problem because I got it has some plants and I how you call it? I cut them off and I put it in and I put it on the floor. Oh my God. Okay. So, what I did was that I took the good ones and I replanted it. Where did I replant it? Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Because I got 3 different sections. You know, oh, there it goes. I didn't give it to her. I was wondering. I said, I think I didn't give it to her. It's right there. Because she told me she has. And that's good. Nobody stole nothing. Oh my God. Nah, that's okay. But then she gave me this beautiful plant. I never seen this plant. You know, she tells me it gives out seeds. You know, so to be sure that when it starts to give seed, to take them out, so I could do more. And here I have it's 2 cilantros. I don't know. I just put it in there. They gave how you call it? They gave roots at 2 days. That's what it took, 2 days, and it just popped out, all of them. Not even one stood behind. And since I didn't want to put everything over there, because how you call it? At the end, it's gonna be too full. You know, when they started throwing all these leaves and everything, then I'm gonna use the other side for the eggplant. You know, it's gonna be a little bit hard. And I was planning to throw this out, this here, you know, because I should have done it like I did before. I had it where my, how you call it, my aloe vera is at. I had it there. It will go over the rail and will hang down. And when it used to get to a certain level, it will try to go back up, you know. And it gave me a lot of fruits, a lot of fruit. This is my first one, and I put this before the winter, and this is my first time. I don't know if it was because I wasn't wetting them enough or what. The thing is that it wasn't giving. It was getting like that piece right there that I have to find somebody to cut it off for me. So that part, you know, and there wasn't really, you know, they were like that, like this one also. As you could see, the flower, they did, you know. So I think it was the water. So now I'm putting more water to it. I'm not putting as much, you know, because in the wintertime, they hold the water, you know. So, and I put one, how you call that? One cucumber on this side, and it loves it there. It's nice and straight, you know. I'm going to just let it grow there, because in the bottom, there's nothing there, so I'll let it grow there, you know. And if I have to cut in the top, not the top, the top, I will do that, you know. And I have so many. Let me show you what I did with the plant that died. Hold on a minute. Don't look at my fingers. They're ugly. They are full of dirt. But I'm going to take a bath soon so I could cook. I hope these people had a nice Thanksgiving. You know, I posted it in Facebook, but I didn't post it in YouTube. I'm very sorry for that. I forgot. I was too busy, you know, the cooking, the cleaning, the this, the that, you know. So it was a little harsh. And since I still had a little back of pain, you know, my pain in the back. I still have it now, but it's not that bad. So that plant that died is this. So what I did is I took the good spot, because when you put them in the dirt and you keep the dirt moist, she takes out roots, you know. And that's what I done with a couple of them. The other ones are back there. And hoping for it to grow. And that's another lemon tree. And then this is the, I call it, I kind of stick it up. That's eggplant. More eggplant. I got also here pepper. And it has a little pepper. I don't know if it died, it fell down or what. Can't, let me see if I could see it. Hold on. No, it's still there. It's still there, right there. It likes it there. I put it there because I had it in a pot. One of these red thing, and I think it didn't like it. Because she started to like push back, and somebody here ate the top part. They took it out. I think it was I say it was one of the lizards because they bite on it, and I think they didn't like it, so they drop it back down. So and I got also, hold on, I ain't finished yet. Okay, it's hard to move this wheelchair, but I have to do it. And look at this. This grows so much every single day. This one, those that was over there, they newer. Only newer here is this one and this one because two of them died, so I put them in the same hole, and I'm gonna put one over here too because this one died too, because I had it like a canister on the bottom, and I think it was getting too much wet, so I took it out, and they liked it, and they started to grow back up. So I take all these, cut them with a scissor, or I cut them with my hand, but I'm going to have to wash my hand because they dirty. And I bought some, how you call it, culantro from the side of my house. And I put some seeds to see if they grow, and I'm watering them here. They like it here. So, they came real hard, real, how you call it, real messed up. So what I did was I always cut the top part, and let the new growth grow up, and then they get real beautiful. So she's in that position now. She's in the hospital, as I say. As you can see right here, one is growing already. I gotta cut this, but I gotta get a scissor because sometimes when you pull, the whole plant comes out, and it's not good for them. So, and this, you know what it is? Tangerine. The only tangerine I got. I don't know what happened to the rest of them. But this is the only tangerine I have. But anyway, I only need one. I don't need like 20,000 of it. So my people, I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving and lots of blessings to you guys. Really love you guys. And I'm happy because I'm getting in touch with the people that I lost. Now I recovered them. I recovered one of them last night. And lead farmer 70, I think 78, is it? And his wife, I had them too, and now I got him back. So little by little, I'm trying to find the people that was there. Now you can't even see I can't even see the, how you call it, the people that is with me or anything. I just find them as I go. And since I would like the lighting that he was doing, lead farmer, and I go almost every single day there to see how he does. And I always ask God to bless him and the family. He's a good guy, and I don't know why people are trying to do things to him. Trying to steal. That's stealing, really. If you have something for somebody, and then you pass like you're them, that's stealing. So let's be a better person. That's the only thing I could say. Let's be a better person. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.